In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Docs on your laptop and create a desktop shortcut. First, open your preferred web browser on your laptop. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any modern browser you're comfortable using. In the address bar at the top, type in Google Docs and press Enter. You're looking for the official Google Docs website, which is usually the first result. Go ahead and click on that link to open Google Docs. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your usual Google email and password, then continue. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main Google Docs home screen with your recent documents and templates. Now, Google Docs doesn't have a traditional download and install app for Windows or Mac like some programs do. Instead, it runs in your browser. But you can still make it feel like a real app by creating a desktop shortcut that opens Google Docs in its own window, just like a native application. If you're using Google Chrome, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. From there, find the option called More Tools. Then click on Create Shortcut. A small window will pop up asking you to name the shortcut. You can leave it as Google Docs or give it any name you like. Make sure the option that says Open as Window is checked. This helps it behave more like an app without all the browser tabs and address bar. Then click Create. Once you've done that, minimize your browser and look at your desktop. You should see a new icon with the name you chose. This is your Google Docs shortcut. Double-click it, and Google Docs will open in its own clean window, just like a desktop app. If you want even quicker access, you can also pin this shortcut to your taskbar or dock by right-clicking the icon and choosing the pin option your operating system provides. From now on, anytime you need to use Google Docs, you don't have to open a browser and type in the address. Just click the desktop shortcut, and you're ready to start writing, editing, or collaborating on your documents right away.